Hello out there. It's the 22nd of November 2024. This is the Anglia Street Rod project by Lou and Bob, and this will be part 41, segment 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to put some rivets in on the piece of sheet metal to cover that gap up there that Lou's made. Randy's at work, so I'm going to do the other half of the riveting team. Going to pause here. We'll be back in a little bit. Back, same day. Okay, that piece has been riveted in, and Lou is going to do the fiberglass trick to close up the little opening that's there. And I'm going to pause this again. Back, same day, yeah. Okay. What are we looking at here?
Okay, now we're talking now. We got to put a door stop. So I'm thinking about no way to get one of those steel ones in there.
Yeah, because we don't have space.
So what we're gonna make is do a trick like this with one of these guys, and then put one in here and one in here, and then just do a strap like we have on the back.
Similar to what we did there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work, you know.
Yeah, I think so.
Keep that door from flopping all the way over.
You need more of these.
Yeah.
I gotta remember where the hell we got them. I think it was maybe Amazon.
Got them on Amazon, I think.
Yeah, stainless steel. Yeah, these were perfect.
Yeah.
And I think I got more strap in my garage. Back collecting them when I was working on the transmission with the aborted hydraulic clutch sleeve. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm going to go home and take a look for some parts and figure out where that guy came from. So I'm going to stop. This will be the end of part 41, segment 1. Bye. Hey, it's Bob. Lou is moving so fast, I'm going to add another piece of video to this. He's already got the piece bent and cut to close up the gap there, and got it spot welded, and is in the process of screwing it on. So, yeah, not bad for an old man.
Yeah, not bad. And then after that, I'll go ahead and do the
fiberglass.
The fiberglass piece to go back in there, and that'll take care of all that.
Yeah, good. Then what? The window, power window?
Yeah.
Oh, window. Oh boy. We're making progress on both our cars. Okay, now this time I'm going to stop this segment for real. Segment 1, part 41. Take care, everybody. Hi there.
Good morning.
It's November 26th, and this is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage with the Anglia project, and it's part 41. I'm not sure what segment. I'll fill it in later, but anyway, here's what's happened. Get an update. And if we look back here, you got this all fiberglassed in.
Yeah.
That's all closed up. And then you got this all finished at the bottom. So the door closes. Also, what we've got here is temporary hinge straps held on by staples, but real pieces being sewed on by a professional sewing machine. The 3-inch spacer is on, the wheel is on, so we're moving right along. So what's next, Lou?
Yeah, we put the power window unit in this window here.
All right.
Get that in, and then get the
wood channel?
The jams in, or the felts in, and then go with the glass.
Okay.
See what comes out of that. See if I have any problems getting those in.
Alrighty. Sounds a little tinny because that's what it is. It's all steel. So that's looking pretty good. Well, we're getting close, obviously. So,
It's getting there slow but sure.
yeah. So let's see. Kind of cold out there this morning, huh?
Yeah, it is nippy out there.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on my 32 steering shaft. And then I think we're going to end this right here as far as the Anglia is concerned. So we'll get back to you later. Take care of you all. Bye-bye.